Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to read messages without the senders knowing. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this you have to open your WhatsApp. Now go to three dots. Press on settings. Now click on privacy. Here you can see the option of read receipts. If you want to read messages without the sender knowing, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to read messages without the sender knowing. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.